welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of sorts for the Lauren Elizabeth Feel subscription box. Now if you guys don't know, Lauren Elizabeth is a YouTuber here on YouTube, obviously, and she has a subscription box. Now I actually have two of them. I'm going to show you the most recent one and then just kind of breeze through the one that was right before that. What I really like about her boxes are that they are really good sized samples. I don't even think, honestly, that a lot of this stuff is samples. I think most of them are like full-sized things, and I don't remember, I want to say it's around $30. I will leave the thing here. So I think, and she really takes time to curate the boxes herself, which I think is super cool. And just like from a beauty lifestyle YouTuber, I think it's really awesome to support someone like that and to also know that like she really is thinking a lot about the products that she puts in there. So it comes with some cute little tissue paper, and then inside this is what it looks like. So in here it has a little card just talking about basically what's in here. So the first thing in here is the IGK Hair First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. So I'm super excited to use this because I use dry shampoo a lot. Let's see what this smells like. It has a nice smell to it. I just actually went and got my hair done, and it kind of smells like the stuff that the hair salon smells like. So this is a heavy duty dry shampoo. It detoxifying charcoal powder lifts dirt and builds up while absorbing sweat, and cooling white tea powder calms the scalp. Maybe that's what it is the cooling white tea that I'm smelling. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. Next, oh, these look so fun. Red Earth Have Fun lipstick matches, and it comes in this little like matchbox thing, and then you open it up and there are these little individual like lipsticks. Can you see that, YouTuber? They're like little lipstick. Let me see if I can, yeah, look at that. That's so cool. So it's like a little match, but it's lipstick. So it's like perfect for on the go. Ew, now it's all over me. I think these will be perfect to put in your purse, or if you're traveling, something like this will be perfect. I'm really excited to try that. The next thing is this Hanalei, I think, or Hanali. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but is the charcoal powder face cleanser travel set. So it has all of these little packets of like single-use face cleanser, which I think is awesome. At first I was like, oh boo, it's gonna be like super small, but these are like perfect for traveling because like say you're going like on a 3-day trip. Like I'm going to New York soon, so I'm only going for 3 days, so I will literally only need to take 3 of these packets, and it takes up so much less space, which I think is awesome. So you just open the packet, pour a pea-sized amount of hand into cleanser, add water and rub to face, and rinse. So it looks like actually you might be able to get more than one use out of each thing because it says pour a pea-sized amount. Yeah, pour a pea-sized amount, so there might be more than a pea-sized amount in here. I don't know. I'll have to check back and let you guys know, but I've never heard of this brand, but they seem really cool. Next is the Skin and Lab Barrier Derm Intensive Cream. And it says dryness is gone, barrier derm is here, and this is like a huge size. So it is just like it says a high moisturizing cream that helps dry skin take a rest. And then on here, the little note thing, it says calms sensitive and extreme dry skin while protecting the skin barrier on both the face and body. And it says it's now on sale for 30% off on Amazon. So I'm really excited to try this because obviously it's the middle of winter and it's like your skin and everything just gets so dry. Let's see. And I love trying out new lotions and everything like that. Oops. And if you watched my Christmas haul, I got a hand lotion that I really like too. Ooh, I really like this. It's like, it has kind of like a lavender-ish smell, but not super strong. It kind of like goes away quickly. Really like that. Excited to use that some more. And then the last makeup-y kind of thing, is the Allergenist, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm so bad with pronouncing things. Complete Eye Renewal Balm. And it's a vegan eye cream to minimize appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brightens dark circles, reduces puffiness and fatigue, and nourishes and smooth. And this is also a very large size. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty full. I mean, it's very small, but it's 15 milliliters. So I'll look it up and see like how much that is, like if you can actually buy this size, you know. It feels nice. It feels like not a super thick cream, but it feels really soft and like it would be good for under the eyes, obviously. It's an under eye cream. And then the last thing in here, oh, actually, you get a Red Earth, which is the little matches. You get a coupon code in here, and then you also get a set of, I believe it's 3, yes, 3 of the, oh wait, I didn't even notice this was in here. It's a cleaner. Oh, I'm so excited. 3 reusable straws and a little thing. So this is the Feel by Lauren Elizabeth. So this whole box is like her, but she also has a online store. And so these are from her store, which I'm really excited. I've really been getting into like not using straws as much. And I really love that it comes with a brush. That is amazing because straws and stuff like that can get so gross and icky. I use like a reusable drink container thing every day, and the straw definitely gets kind of gross. So that is everything that is in the most recent box, so like the winter box, I believe. Now I'll just quickly breeze through the, I think it's the fall box, just so you guys kind of get another look at some of the other stuff. And I meant to film this for so long, but I actually never ended up filming it, so it's just coming to the end of this video. But I have a lot of stuff in here. This one came with pink, and it came with a Boohoo coupon, which is awesome. And then, so in here is the Vita Liberata Luxury Tan Self Tanning Gradual Lotion. So I'm really excited to use this because I'm so pale. And then this is the ColourPop Supernova Shadow in the color Moonlit. And it looks like it is a, looks like an eyeshadow. So I think it's just like a, oh wow, that's kind of cool. It's like a purple, I'll do a close-up, but like a purple, like a liquid shadow. And then Tarte, which is pretty cool, Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in Skinny Dip. I'm not a huge fan of lipsticks normally, just because like they don't last that long and stuff. But I know that Rainforest of the Sea is a very good, like really moisturizing and everything like that. So I'm excited for that as well. And then this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Easy to Apply Reusable Lashes in the Connie style. And then also in here you get a Daniel Wellington coupon. I believe that's a watch company. I'm not positive. And then a Scentbird coupon as well. And just a couple more little things. This is a Yes To the company Yes To, and it's a triple cleansing mask little set. So you get a calming mud mask, a detoxifying charcoal mask, and a vitamin C glowing boost. And then there's a little Feel by Lauren Elizabeth little pouch thingy. So then lastly is this Feel by Lauren Elizabeth little journal. It's got like gold on the front, which is really cool, and it's kind of like a squishy leather feeling material, and it says something on the inside. Oh, just like about her company and stuff. And yeah, so that is everything from the Lauren Elizabeth boxes recently. If you guys want me to continue doing this, I definitely can. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about the boxes, what your favorite subscription box is. I know that I really love FabFitFun, but it is a little bit expensive. But yeah, I really like this one also. So I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe. And follow me on Instagram for more recent updates and everything like that. And I'll talk to you guys later.